this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow wheat. Now, wheat has been a food staple for centuries, and you can make bread out of it, or noodles, or pretty much anything that has carbohydrate-based food, like noodles, has wheat in it. And it's a very easy plant to grow in your garden as well. Really, wheat is only a grass, just like the grass in your lawn. And so when you start it, you just start the wheat seeds right into the garden spot, wherever you want to grow it, or a container, and just rake it in, or just make sure and work it into the ground, not too deep below the ground, and then add some water and start it after the last frost and before it gets really, really warm in the summertime in full hot sun. And that way the wheat will come up and grow all summer long and then turn to seed. And you can turn around and save those seeds to grow them again the next year, or you can use them in any type of food that you want. And so make sure when you plant them that they're just barely below the surface of the ground. Just work them into the dirt. Water them, but never let them sit right in a mucky, wet soil, because they can rot easily and then you'll lose them. Because they like more of an arid, really warmer climate. And that way, when they grow, you can water them, but always let them dry out in between. And then harvest them right when they turn to seed. And then that way you can enjoy them in your garden and in your kitchen.